Ziga yonkoi.
Yeah, Kwame. Okay, akwesiampo foje enyumbi. Nzeni yesusu ano o se obi a onpe no ho asem a oda ne fie eda ya bu abono. Oso onko abonten ene wakohia nkwanhia. Na oda ne da mumpo no edan abu abono. Obi di ne san abisan na ha wo kai sa story no a
shebiri masem.
Na kusie bi a wo hyene baabi na onpe no ho asem. Na wo hyemua na kusie bi nsusu a obofo bi pam no ana chene bi pam no na wakobawura sa kusie ni bum na odine san akwakusa no Kwame ebi na ato papa ya waka so yi na ti se oko Gaza Strip so sorry Gaza Strip. Good
Gaza and pepper no so
na Kwame when you see Gaza Palestinian for no na ebia omu stage demonstration na so ohwe your friend say how the Palestinian for police no omu control omo no a Kwame na lovely sa area hono they believe say e kofa Assyria ne sa Gaza ho ni na koba ni na no what they believe in say they believe in stones. Komu believe say a na that area and David Edeboba ekum Goliath. So they strongly believe in stones. Say a body
a weapon.
It's a weapon pa. But sometimes some way demonstration. You see how the Palestinian police control Kwame. They control them toboba a bit too a year say a tuankasa, but they find a way to control them because that is how they are trained.
Yeah,
they make what I say professional. Kwame, Saoba Ghana has here Ghana Police Service. There's a unit be a department be a National Operation Department responsible for operational duties. Your former action unit say. Sebafa say you'll be a demonstration. Sasam Kasebia Sibia. Omoni ye dispatch omoko. Na omoko kami. Situation down. Na ya trenu omwa to the stand say how to control crowd. Kwame. How to control crowd. Say so do baby. Police commander na wa dispatch mo. Wa say ne ekoso hamunko. No wa chemo de amonye. Etudu baby. Professionally no. Yakacha say the partner does one. This is how you have to control them. Say omo bow so no more attack you. This is how you have to control them. Nini na yacha omo abra. And you kwase life be obi lusu the life. Efa police DB eso emo obi lusu the life.
Say commander Crashman or catch.
Yes.
Training
no uko training no Kwame ya the amount. And ya chow ethics ni na say crowd control eba you use tear gas, you use rubber bullets, you use hot water to scare omwa demonstration. When you see watch what happened at Edra and the committee in the report nearby a can be say the police your friend say police service and your omedumayi. Jamaica say
according to the report.
According to the report, Oman your omedumayi. Now committee. Papa ya or dane demia. Oma kotu tutuo na obidane dem na akwako canon. I was once listening to your friend say security expert bi. Na ochre how you control crowd na committee. Me demonstrate chre mo share Facebook and TV. Ba mo radio so no de me de man kwa bia mbeti ase. O say when you are controlling crowd, se bia o control crowd. Na okutatua. Se uye tuo ni straight ese ya.
O de hwe nipa no so.
Kire se o pese o kunipa no.
O gine wani de hwe nipa no se ya.
Ane o pese o kunipa no. Na se ububu kakra ma ne kosri say. Na se emfa de trisu a you are gauging and targeting obi o won
Okay.
Jamaica what I say. But to scare the nipa no as a sexual straight.
Wow. common sense, bra.
That's a common sense.
Yeah, common sense. We need to be any natural.
Natural. Common sense. Yes, Kwame. Na me bisa mo say obi oko police biano uko military order for security agencies. There's an ethics any training the amount it will unity awon unu kwan alfa so a wo administer ho na kwabiti emrante no ekoye yie no ense bade strike ya dismiss wo mo ye wi na esa do wo court and kwame esese dismiss wo mo nipa no oye in charge of the department now has questions to answer. You have questions to answer. Say, tie.
Na omo guard kwa no wan. Se ye colleague here. Why na be ye tuo se enko toto fa wiem.
That's the question. And am eba ho no
kwa ye colleague here. Why omo guard ben no so ma ye tuo se den ye fa koye.
Say, okay Ghana Arms and Ammunition Act 1996. Act 519 and the amended 2001 604 section 7 and America Chemutie was say control of public display of arms and ammunition and etc. One was say no person shall and your word shall except in accordance with the terms of a permit granted under this decree or with the written consent of the Inspector General of Police, publicly display any arms or ammunition, including explosive, or discharge any firearm or other weapon in any public place. What I say? Nipa bia ube discharge firearm biano, Kwame. Unless say what taking permission from the IGP. And now, as I say, Okwa, Konoko to Kwame. Mindini ye say, per what we read, a year no more kono IGP Beka Chram say, Mokona Hotamwa, and as a Mokona Diaba Mutu to Debbie. Mindini ye say, department no more, police commander no hot Beka Chram say, eh, Mokona dia Mobile do. Moya daya mututu there be Kwame. It is against the law. What do we say? Aka dona yedugu pemprom bamboo ne santas ni aye cone and as a cylinders ne aye tututu no. What do we say? It's against the law. It's a firearm discharging. Now more police service no moye law enforcement agency. Yayam rasa mo na mo enforce law no Kwame. You ona akoto tutu mo biawu. Kwame se kia wo ma yi dada. De bia me busa mo se police no ye do mo ruamu a. Police administration an ye ja mo ana. Nipa no akọ no embra administer adwuma na wo ye. Yete akra no ye wo code of ye fere se office e wa ha meboa
studio ha.
E wo studio ha say obianim Emra govern the Ghana Police Service. So say we be pusa emra no so a me na say obi pusa emra no so na ye che no me blame say ni pa because oye ignorant. But say Ghana police ni no a wono na enforce law no wodu momu kwa kobu emra no so akwa meto a na me yama hyeme. Na eya kaya wo say wa woto no kwa you are not safe.
Seriously.
Mo ya picture no that TV no so no. Moya picture that them to me. A mama mako 5 beautiful women. Some number we are omo TV. And one more share Facebook. One more down for na wedding. Mutio. O madam for na wedding.
O madam for police ni.
Police ni na wedding. Now, o ma she police che. Apam uniform way. Eye you almost say no omo no for ho. E de akwa ho akọ wedding ase. Akwa display. Then a one police commander under them. This happened at the Ahafo police commander. Actually, say they have to send them back to a police training, a police training. Yes, I do call a police training school. Our Pualugu. And you catch on say for 8 weeks no medino or medi the second in an or one befa. One pedway up police no. They make what I say. But come before I son or mokon. They were trained and yet enlighten them almost on by enlighten S14887 blah blah blah. Nini nae Ghana police nini nae police uniform code. Police uniform code. The code of ethics in the police uniform code. Kwame, omo kwani edi ka kire omo dada. Omo ko Ghana police no, enya asam we si ye. And ye be kire omo say your police uniform code. Omo ko Ghana police wono. Na your code ye fa say police uniform code ni da hodada. Eti ye me nwa say enti da ye obubum na so Kwame.
Na dey ya police a service crown boy ni. Onye police officer I didn't na kwose.
Me person
question soldier for ntade ye hu soldier for na edwan. So Ghana police dey dey obi atibi fa no de life.
Me person be hu say Oko police no tio me problem no say Oko police no ya chia ne sa no ma we mu ni na eye den no sakobu so he na se bi security expert bi ka asem bi afa na mate ase na mu ble bi ani eye story bi wo ha enkofo queue over 5,000 people wamako queue wamako police forms amuko police no wase Wemu ko dina bebre pe police adwuma no na adwuma omu nyanye nti afa na mate ase no kra
to avoid being stranded.
Ani no kra
some of them
omu do adwuma no me say kwese broni duku betena hasi wo hwa ne nkwara brebe bi o start police fie na police ade ne passion
police no woni mu keke
this you kopi abuache kasa otumi say ade no passion say dampare I go through all the ranks to become the IGP. So oye can history achewa otumi say eye tema bi passion bi owo eyi pama bi ma police no say di pa no Kwame omumra no so da I
say eyi tepa boss fufuri omo da bay chief super kwache police or power to the sense o transfer the no kwai outside Ghana ko beko
yeah
odin police so Frencham
Kwame
man takuma na nyeda
hwese na 2007 2017. Though it started in 2015, but Nkofo busa amra so firecrackers. A bang at the best President Mahama de base. Firecrackers be do one more SSC at the bagan during the Christmas.
I able to
knock out no because Nkofo to tunu biwo ye fe say filling stations ema hosheni ade and ye see a chai. Eti as executive instruments EI cross 21 and ye de banner firecrackers knock out your Tony Christmas 2017 and ye sa shemu kana Kwame say ye kwa civilians no eni kwa say ye to firecrackers onu say 2018 Christmas na police ni bia kwa koto firecrackers ewo asoria tamale asori omo ya watch night asori omo ya watch night onu nu ko bi police ni o se yudu for wakoto firecrackers na ni age
onu a wo se
na ya interdict no tete be busa wo se na wono no a police ni no a
so enforce me
enti firecrackers mra no oni mu ana ameme ko go ba metia bi ni mu
o wonim ko na say ignorance of the law any excuse Papa facha mi kura nim se o Ghana mram ya hia ne yemfa
na be die Kwame me na esa meka osampaka ni otimachi won na esa kasa asam no se o minim
eno so kwai nya o because
eno kwai nya ana ye nya but no police ni no a ye on na ye law enforce esa no Kwame wonu mom na e kwa kotomra mo hwa de Ghana police service
atare e show me police vatari
there be say kala no ye police for colors but the police uniform code no
crown
police uniform code no che say o ma ayi no e che ne de original police for che
ai bra black and white no crowd the police for so you should be but omo nhye mra ba bia so obi into black and white
anya black and white the black and white is not a uniform
okay
but omo use police color no e de ne de enkense but e channel show omo no omo de ka ho no
e chen pokura sa
it is against the uniform code no
crown na gba ni mu kura de ha adwene town no
Kwame
what dey say obo obi ko adu a bone dozen na odi na ni nyina ba akopa be so ne nsa
de bia se po se me nya akada me se me ni menua okala minister Adu Jamfi lockdown na buy na me nena na me pese me hwade ye do baby a me say we see o anu abo criminal code no
osuade
odu ha o kan wo abo criminal code mi akoi wa bion so de me je
police
no na o kan off hand ade no kuta no wo mie ni wa hwe
te po ya sofu bia
na ye ni mu abai
ko techu ase ne ba woda ne kem
ani ye ni mu abai de kwame wo ko wie ya no o ko service wie ye nu akodi fufuo nu akwada
nkwa dewa
nu akwada wo twa kenka hudiem eti onu police ni no kwa no wo flat mra na wonim
so flat